Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Jubilant Foodworks. Our analyst upgrades Jubilant Foodworks to buy from hold, earlier with a revised price target of Rs 570. Improved earning visibility, focusing on profitable growth in India, an attractive valuation at 22 times and 19 times its FY25 and FY26 consolidated EV by EBITDA respectively. Domino's India like-for-like growth turned positive to 0.1% in Q4. Management targets 3% like-for-like, which will aid margin expansion of 200 bps. Acquisition of DP Eurasia provides opportunity to lead growth in another emerging market under the asset-light model. This, along with other emerging business such as Popeyes, Domino's Bangladesh and coffee, will drive consistent earning growth in the medium to long run. DP Eurasia is free cash flow positive and improved cash generation will take care of debt taken for acquisition. India business will be free cash flow positive in next 2 years. Next, we have an update on Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of India with a price target of Rs 165. Healthy business momentum, better asset quality trends are likely to augur well for the bank's earnings trajectory and return ratios in the near to medium term. We acknowledge that slippage trends have been volatile for the bank in the past few quarters. However, the bank has been guiding for lower slippages, higher recoveries and in turn lower credit cost in FY25. We expect the stock to recover given stable outlook and improved valuation. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.7 times its FY25 and 0.6 times its FY26 book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.